Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, computer vision. Now, I know that might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's everywhere, and you've probably interacted with it more times than you realize. So what exactly is computer vision? Well, it's all about giving computers the ability to see and understand the visual world, just like we do. Think about it. Since we were born, we've been learning how to recognize objects, estimate distances, spot anomalies, and interpret what we see. That's the very foundation of AI-powered computer vision. Computer vision uses deep learning models to identify and classify objects in digital images and videos. And here's the cool part. Once computers see something, they can react to it. Let me give you some practical examples of what computer vision can do. 1. Unlocking your smartphone when it recognizes your face. 2. Figuring out where products should go in retail stores. It's like a digital stock clerk. 3. Restocking inventory in retail stores. No more empty shelves. 4. Understanding who the customers are through demographics in retail stores. Talk about personalized shopping. Now, to make all of this possible, computer vision uses a combination of filters and actions to piece together different parts of an image. It gathers data from sources like smartphones, traffic cameras, security systems, and more. It's one of the most powerful forms of AI out there, and you've almost certainly encountered it without even realizing. But here's the kicker. Computer vision systems, specifically their algorithms, need training. And this training is supercharged with tons of digital input. These systems never get tired, and they can quickly outperform humans in detecting and reacting to visual information. In just under a decade, the accuracy rates for identifying and classifying objects went from 50% to a staggering 99%. Impressive, right? Now you might be wondering, how do these computer vision systems actually learn? Well, it's all about looking at massive amounts of high-quality visual data. They repeatedly analyze this data until they can recognize images and learn the differences. They use two key technologies. 1. Deep learning. This is like the brain of the operation. It uses algorithms and artificial neural networks to extract insights from visual data, constantly improving its knowledge. 2. Convolutional neural networks, CNN. These break down images into labeled parts and do the math to check predictions repeatedly. And guess what? Computer vision is poised to unlock even more opportunities in the future. Advances in depth perception, 3D reconstruction, and interpreting dark and blurry images are on the horizon. It's not just a concept anymore, it's practical and in use, from facial recognition to self-driving vehicles. Now let's talk about where computer vision is heading. Companies are all in on this technology, and the global computer vision market is booming. It's expected to grow from $9 to $40 billion in 2020 to a whopping $41.11 billion in 2030. That's a compound annual growth rate of 16% over a decade. It's clear that the potential here is massive. In fact, computer vision is optimizing a ton of different sectors. It's being used in logistics, retail, healthcare, disaster response, and recovery, manufacturing, you name it. The supply chain is where it's making a big impact. Now let's get into how computer vision creates value. It's being deployed in various ways, and some of them might sound familiar. 1. Image classification. The system sees an image and predicts what it is. It can tell if it's a human, a pair of safety goggles, or a forklift, for example. 2. Object detection. This goes a step further. It not only classifies an image, but also takes note of its appearance. Once an object is detected, it can be tracked using sequential images and video feeds. 3. Content-based image retrieval. This is all about making searching for and retrieving digital images super accurate. Now, to make all this magic happen, computer vision data goes through various processes like image processing, segmentation, blob checking, and pattern recognition. It's like a well-oiled machine with all these steps working together. But of course, there are challenges in the world of computer vision. The models need specific training, and the data must be top-notch. You can't just use off-the-shelf solutions. It requires the right model and techniques. Plus, it's crucial that users accept the solution. And let's not forget about the cybersecurity aspect. Malicious data manipulation can mess things up. There's also the balance between cost and accuracy, and following best practices like MLOps and DataOps is essential. Privacy is a big concern too, so measures must be in place to protect people's data. Lastly, there's the investment side of things. It can include camera upgrades, new tech investments, ongoing maintenance, and upskilling the workforce. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of computer vision. It's all around us, making our lives easier and more efficient. And it's only going to get better. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one!